Check out this before and after. That was when we first purchased the home, and this is how the area currently looks. So this is part 2. Welcome back to the Nurse Outlook, and if you're new here, welcome. We are doing a coffee and a wine bar, and we are now putting up the pictures in this area. And these pictures are not new. I purchased them off of Amazon for my other area when it used to be a wine area, but I wanted to change it up. So we just moved those pictures over here. Here I'm just staining a piece of wood that I got from Home Depot. I want to say it was about $14.97. And then we are using the Early American Mini Wax stain that we got from Walmart. I'm not sure exactly how much that costs, but we barely touched the can. So it's gonna last. And we bought the little brush from Walmart. I want to say it was like $1 or $2. This is my first time staining, y'all, and it turned out pretty good. So I only stained it one time, and then I wiped it down. I think I let it sit in the sun for about 15 minutes. So that's how it looked. I did the back. The back was a little bit more smoother. I just called it the back. I don't know which one was the front and back, but the second side was a lot smoother than the first side. And I just kind of did a stroke in the same direction. Just kept putting the strokes in the same direction so it can look uniform and neat. Here I'm just adding some polyurethane in the clear matte, and I think the instructions said you were supposed to sand in between, and I did not do that, and I think you were supposed to wait like 4 hours, and I didn't do that. So it does kind of have like an ashy tint to it. Does it bother me? Absolutely not. So I was just wanting to let people know, just in case they plan on doing this project, that you probably get better results if you follow the directions. But for me, I mean, it was fine. It wasn't a big deal. Here, we're just adding the coffee sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. And Days is just putting it up there. I purchased this sign from Home Goods, and I just kind of went around to different areas, and when I seen something that fit in the area, I was like, I'm gonna get this. So it was like accumulation of me going to different stores and getting different things that I thought that would be cool for the area. Here's this, adding the shelf, and those brackets were bought separately. I think they were like $5.97, $7.97, something like that, and I got those from Home Depot. And I'm just adding this syrup in here. And I got those from Home Goods. I think the jars cost like $3.99. So again, this is how the area looked when we first purchased the home, and this was all the kitchen that it had. And this is how the area looks now, and I love it. I think it looks super cool. It gives it a pop of color, and I really, really think it's a fun area. So if you guys like this project, please comment below. Tell me what you would have done differently, what color you would have added. You like it how it is. I would love to hear from you guys and know what your opinions are. Please come back for part 3 because I want to change the handles, and we're going to also add black trimming around the shiplap.